Astha wants to know, where should one invest for child's education? Are child education plans by mutual fund companies good?
I would say that, don't get carried by the nomenclature. If you are investing for your child, any investment and made for your child, and you don't fiddle with it, you're not indisciplined and to actually lay your hands on that. Any investment is your child fund. Now, what kind of investment is meant for will be appropriate one for your child? If you're the young child, have as much into equity, maybe take, and if you're an experienced investor, take as aggressive exposure as possible. If you're getting closer to the need requiring that money, your child is going, you have accumulated it for 10-12 years, and your child is likely to get into college, and that will be, and you want to prepare for that. Maybe prepare, with a 3-year lead, with a 3-year lag, take out the money that is needed in the first year of the college, 3-4 years ahead of time. Then the second year's money a year later. So you will not be dependent on the state of the market when you actually need it. And this is a broad principle which one should follow.
And are child education plans by mutual fund companies?
Oh, they don't make sense because there are unnecessary constraints, but they actually fulfill the need of a naive investor. Because many people think that if it's a child fund and I'm investing for the child, it makes sense. But there is absolutely no disadvantage. If you are capable of choosing a good fund and you are disciplined enough, any fund is a child fund. Any fund could well be a retirement fund.